Hello, I'm Logan Quinn and welcome to Wiggle Worm Warriors. We're going to teach you how to make your own Wally. And these are the materials you are going to need. You might be asking, Logan, where do you find this? Well, you can find it at
teacherstore.io Wiggle Worm Warriors.
First, you're going to get this. If it's not printed yet, we can give you a second to pause it and go get it. Or print it right now, if you have it. And then you're going to grab this, a plain piece of paper. Make sure that it's the same size. We've measured it, you know. And you're going to grab your scissors. So first what we're going to do is we're going to line this up and we're going to cut it. Once you've cut this out, you're going to pull them apart and make sure you flip the blank side away so it looks like there's two worms heading toward each other. Because this is going to be the back side and this side is going to be the inside. So now what you're going to do is if you're using small tape, you can use that. But we're going to be using some big tape. So what you're going to do first is you're going to grab yourself a piece of tape. Now this one doesn't have a good razor, as you can see. We're going to grab our scissors and then we're going to grab that. Now we're gonna cut it with our favorite scissors. Yay! And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna tape this down to the table. And if you've done one of these crafts before, you might know what it is. If you haven't, well, welcome. It's a lot of tape. Now we've done it with a little bit of our wiggle worm magic. Now, what you've done with the front and back tape, you're going to slowly peel it off. Make sure you don't go fast. You don't want to rip it. And then once you do that, you're going to want to cut off all the excess tape. Once you do that, as you can see, we're slowly but surely, we're going to get there. But you guys don't want to see us here cutting it all of us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of our wiggle worm magic and I'm just going to... So now that we've had both of these sides taped, now we can tell which this side that has all the tape on it is the outside of the back. The part that has no tape, this side is the inside. So we want to leave that here. And we want to go to this side, which we also leave that. We're going to grab some tape and we're going to tape around the edges. So we're going to speed up and do that. As you can see, we taped it, but we left a little hole here and a little hole there. I know that one's not little, but Now what we're going to do is we're going to start shoving cotton balls down there. So let's do it. Now that you finally made it, traveler, you actually made it. Now, for more crafts, follow me on TikTok at Tired Teacher.